In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list products on Wayfair, variance, and compliance. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, open your browser and search for Sell with Wayfair to reach Wayfair's partner portal. Once you're on the official site, log in with your account. Before you continue, it helps to have your product data ready. Things like SKUs, titles, dimensions, materials, pricing, inventory, and images so the upload goes smoothly. Inside the portal, look for the catalog area and click Add New Products. Here, Wayfair offers two paths. Quick upload is great if you're comfortable working in a spreadsheet or you're listing multiple items at once. Guided upload walks you through fields on screen and is helpful for a smaller number of products or if you're new to the process. Choose the approach that fits your workflow and click to proceed. Next, click Download Template. Wayfair uses category-specific templates to make sure you include everything needed. You'll be prompted to choose a class, which is essentially the product category like dining chairs, table lamps, or area rugs. Pick the class that best matches your item, then click Add Selected Class. With the class selected, click Download Template again to get the tailored spreadsheet. Open the file and complete it carefully. Enter clear product names and descriptions, accurate measurements and weights, and assign unique SKUs. For variants, set up a single parent item and link all variant children beneath it, using consistent variant attributes such as color, size, finish, or pattern. Keep the parent non-buyable and ensure every child has specific values and its own SKU, barcode, and dimensions. For compliance, provide required details like materials, fillings, and any safety or regulatory information the template asks for. Depending on the class, you may need flammability data, Proposition 65, warnings, carb compliance, or certificates for electrical items. Fill these fields precisely. Missing compliance data is a common cause of delays. When your template is ready, return to the portal and click Upload. Select the completed file from your computer, then click Submit. Wayfair will validate the file, flagging any errors or missing fields. If something comes back, open the error report, fix the highlighted rows in your template, and re-upload. Successful submissions move into review and publishing, and listings will appear once approved. Keep an eye on your catalog status and be prepared to supply documentation if Wayfair requests it for compliance verification. That's the entire flow, from finding the portal to submitting your products with variants and compliance details handled correctly.